Hi friends, if you have decided to make a website for business and consulting services, this video is for you. I have Ranborn WordPress theme which has been made for business and consulting services, and the theme has been developed by Templantation and they are elite authors. The theme was developed in 2018 and regular updates for this theme is also being done, so you can consider this theme as updated theme according to latest version of WordPress. And you have a reason for watching this video until end, that you never know the theme features and the customization options available in the theme before you buy or decide any theme. And in this video I am going to show you everything about the Ranborn WordPress theme. We will install this theme and import the demo content and also preview the theme options and the customization option in this video only. So be with me until the last, and if you are the first time visitor of this channel, you may please subscribe this channel. And this theme is available on the wpthemes.co.in website. I am going to give the link of my website in the description of this video, where you can get this theme as well along with the hosting plan if you want. So let us begin the installation. Meanwhile, I'll show you the demo websites of Ranborn WordPress theme, and these are the demo websites. In fact, multiple demos are available, 5 demos. So I'll show you 1 or 2. This is the one of the demo website using the Ranborn WordPress theme, and the Ranborn WordPress theme is specifically for business and consulting services, and this is what the look is saying. So if you need a clean design theme, it can be a very good catch for you. For installing the Ranborn theme, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose ranborn.zip. and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time and I'll be able to show you the theme file size as well. The theme file size is very less. This is a lightweight theme. This is why it is going to work fast on your website as well, and it is just having 5.60 MB in size. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Ranborn folder, where we got all the theme components, folders and files. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space and it is not required now. Go to the theme section of WordPress. Now we have Ranborn as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Ranborn version 2.6, a powerful WordPress theme for business and consulting businesses. Activate it now. And upon activation, we got landed on a plugin installation page where we need to install certain plugins for using this theme, and I am choosing to install all plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any errors. And all plugins has been installed. Now we have to activate all the installed plugins. We can do it one go, and fine. So all plugins has installed and activated. Now we can go for checking our website, how it looks with the plugins and theme itself. And this is the basic look of Ran Braun WordPress theme, and this is of course without any demo data, and we need to have any website like this. For this we have to put some demo content. We have demo setup option under theme options tab. So this is the screen which is showing the basic core requirements of demo import, and it should be green like this. And I am running the demo importer. Before that I just need to read all such things. Please try to run setup again and skip the setup, work fine earlier run. Go to the plugins and deactivate Revolution Slider plugin, then run the demo setup. Contact support. Okay, so I am just running the demo importer, and it got landed in a setup wizard. Let us go, and it needs a purchase code. In fact, okay, so I don't have any purchase code for demo video, so I'm just going to WordPress dashboard and I'll check for the manual demo. So the manual demo import is not available, and the demo setup needs a license key which I cannot show in the demo video, in fact. So demo is going to be incomplete, and I'll add demo content in another video. Thanks for watching.